Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Indri Paninatan. I'm from class 6B Management. Here I will discuss about the economic system of the Russian state. Okay, I will explain briefly about Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world, spanning from Eastern Europe to Eastern Asia. It has a population of over 144 million people and abundant natural resources. Importance of understanding the system supporting Russia at the international level is knowing how Russia operates in its economic, governmental system, and its relationship with other countries help to understand global dynamic. Next, about the economic background of Russia. Number one, history of Russia's economy. In the Soviet era, planned economy with state ownership of all industries. In the post-Soviet transition to a free market economy in the 1990 years. Next is a transition from a planned economy to a free market. There was an economic reforms under Boris Yeltsin's leadership and economic and social challenges during the transition period. Economic system of Russia. For main sector, number one, energy. Russia is one of the largest producers and exporter of oil and gas. Next to agriculture, production of wheat, barley, and other agricultural products. Next is technology, advances in IT and military technology. Next is international trade and major export is export of energy, mineral, and manufactured products to various countries. Next is major trading partner, Europe Union, China, and CIS countries. Okay, next to government system. Number one is structure of the government. Russian Federation with the president as head of state and the prime minister as head of government. Bicameral parliament consisted of the State Duma and the Federation Council. Next about is roles of the president and parliament. The president has extensive executive power, include foreign and military policy. The parliament is responsible for legislation and government oversight. Next, about domestic policies and their impact. Economic, social, and security policies implemented by Russian government. Okay, next to government economic system. Number one, fiscal and monetary policy. Management of the state budget and tax policies. Monetary policy by the Central Bank of Russia. Number two, infrastructure and technology investment. Major project in transport and energy infrastructure. Government support for technological innovation startup. Number three, economic reforms. Effort to the diversify the economic to reduce dependence on the energy sector. Initiatives to increase competitiveness and productivity. Okay, next to international political support. Political and military alliance. Relation with CIS and BRICS countries. Role in international organizations such as the UN and Shanghai Cooperation Coordination or SCO. Number two, relationship with allied countries. Political and military cooperation with countries such as China, India, and Iran. Support for regime in Sharia and Venezuela. Russia position in international organization. Active role in the UN, BRICS, SCO, and various other international forums. Okay, next to international system supporting Russia. Number one, economic aid from other countries. Economic cooperation with BRICS and CIS countries. Aid and investment from Europe and ASEAN countries. For aid investment in Russia. Foreign direct investment or FDI in energy, technology, and manufacturing sector. Foreign companies operating in Russia. Number 3, international trade agreements. Trade agreements with the European Union, China, and other countries. Russia's role in the Eurasian Economic Union, or EAEU. Next, the impact of international support. Number one, influence of international support on Russia economic and politics. Political and economic support strengthen Russia's global position. Influence in foreign policy and international diplomacy. Number two, challenge faced by Russia on the international stage. Economic sanctions from Western countries. Geopolitical challenge and global competition. Number 3, future prospect. Potential strengthening of alliance with Asian and Africa countries. Potential from economic growth and technological innovation.